China is entering a new phase of artificial intelligence and robotics, where machines are no longer limited by fixed physical forms. One of the most groundbreaking developments in this space is the rise of shape-shifting AI robots. These robots are designed to change their physical structure in real time, allowing them to adapt to different environments, tasks, and challenges. This technology represents a major leap forward, not only in robotics, but in how intelligence itself is understood and applied in machines. Traditional robots are built with a specific purpose and a fixed body. A robot designed to walk cannot roll efficiently, and a robot designed to roll cannot climb stairs or navigate rubble. Shape-shifting robots break this limitation by allowing a single machine to reconfigure its body depending on the situation. This flexibility gives them a level of versatility that was previously impossible and places them closer to biological organisms in terms of adaptability. China has invested heavily in this field through universities, research institutions, and private technology companies. The goal is not just to build impressive machines, but to create robots that can operate effectively in real-world conditions. These include factories, disaster zones, oceans, space stations, and urban environments. Shape-shifting robots are seen as a key technology for the future of automation and intelligent systems. One of the most notable developments is the emergence of robots that can switch between walking and rolling modes. In open areas where speed is important, the robot can transform into a wheeled structure and move efficiently. When it encounters stairs, uneven ground, or obstacles, it can shift into a legged form that provides balance and control. This transformation is controlled by artificial intelligence that continuously analyzes the environment and selects the most suitable form. This ability is powered by advanced perception systems. Cameras, depth sensors, and motion sensors feed constant data into the AI brain of the robot. The system interprets this data to understand terrain type, space limitations, and movement requirements. Instead of following rigid instructions, the robot makes decisions based on context. This is a critical step toward true autonomy. Another major area of innovation in China is soft robotics. Soft shape-shifting robots are made from flexible materials rather than rigid metal frames. These materials allow the robot to bend, stretch, compress, and deform its body without damage. Inspired by creatures like octopuses, worms, and jellyfish, these robots can squeeze through tight spaces, crawl across uneven surfaces, and even float or swim. Soft robots are particularly useful in environments where traditional machines struggle. In collapsed buildings after earthquakes, rigid robots often get stuck or break. A soft shape-shifting robot can flatten itself, slide through cracks, and re-expand when space allows. This makes them ideal for search and rescue missions where reaching trapped survivors quickly is critical. Artificial intelligence is essential in managing the complexity of shape-shifting. Changing shape involves coordinating many moving parts while maintaining balance and function. Chinese researchers are using machine learning to allow robots to learn these movements over time. Through simulation and real-world testing, robots improve their ability to transform smoothly and efficiently. This learning-based approach reduces the need for manual programming. Instead of engineers specifying every possible movement, the robot learns from experience. This makes it more adaptable to new environments and unexpected situations. Over time, the robot develops a form of physical intelligence that goes beyond simple automation. The concept behind this is known as embodied intelligence. It suggests that intelligence is not just about computation, but also about physical interaction with the world. In shape-shifting robots, the body itself becomes part of the intelligent system. The robot understands the world not only through sensors, but through how its body moves and changes in response. China is also applying shape-shifting robotics to deep-sea exploration. The ocean presents extreme challenges including high pressure, low visibility, and unpredictable terrain. Chinese researchers have developed robots that can alter their shape to handle these conditions. They can swim, glide along the seabed, crawl over rocks, and anchor themselves when needed. These robots use flexible structures that can withstand immense pressure without collapsing. By adjusting their form, they reduce stress on critical components. This allows them to reach depths that were previously inaccessible to robotic explorers. Such technology is valuable for scientific research, environmental monitoring, and inspection of underwater infrastructure. In space exploration, shape-shifting robots offer similar advantages. Chinese scientists are exploring modular robots that can reconfigure themselves on planetary surfaces. A robot might travel long distances as a compact rolling unit, then transform into a walking or climbing form to explore rocky terrain. In space stations, robots could change shape to assist with maintenance, inspections, and cargo handling. Military and security applications are another area of interest. While specific projects are not publicly detailed, the potential is clear. A robot that can change shape can adapt to different mission requirements. It can move quickly across open ground, then transform to navigate confined spaces or climb obstacles. This adaptability makes it useful for reconnaissance, logistics, and surveillance. The industrial impact of shape-shifting robots could be transformative. In manufacturing, a single adaptable robot could perform multiple roles. It could transport materials, assemble products, inspect quality, and adjust its form depending on the task. This reduces the need for multiple specialized machines and increases production flexibility. flexibility. China's manufacturing sector is particularly well positioned to benefit from this technology. With its large-scale production capabilities and strong integration of AI and robotics, Chinese factories could become more efficient, resilient, and responsive to market changes. Shape-shifting robots could help address labor shortages and improve workplace safety by taking on dangerous tasks. Despite the progress, there are significant challenges. Designing materials that are both flexible and durable is difficult. Components must withstand repeated transformations without wearing out. Actuators must deliver precise movement while remaining energy efficient. Power supply is another major issue since transformation often consumes more energy than static movement. Control systems are also complex. Coordinating multiple limbs, joints, and flexible structures requires advanced algorithms and real-time processing. A small error during transformation could cause instability or damage. To address this, researchers are combining physics-based models with data-driven AI approaches to improve reliability. Energy efficiency remains a key focus. Chinese engineers are exploring new battery technologies, lightweight materials, and innovative actuation methods to reduce power consumption. Some designs use passive mechanical elements that assist transformation without additional energy input. Ethical and social considerations are becoming increasingly important. As robots become more capable and autonomous, concerns arise about job displacement, safety, and control. China, like other nations, will need to establish clear guidelines for the deployment of shape-shifting robots. Ensuring that humans remain in control and that robots operate safely alongside people is essential. Public perception will also play a role in adoption. Shape-shifting robots can appear unfamiliar or even unsettling. Transparent communication about their purpose, capabilities, and limitations will be important in building trust. Education and regulation will need to evolve alongside technology. One reason China is advancing quickly in this field is its integrated research ecosystem. Universities, government agencies, and private companies collaborate closely. This allows ideas to move rapidly from theory to prototype to real-world testing. Access to large data sets, powerful computing resources, and advanced manufacturing facilities accelerates development. Looking to the future, the applications of shape-shifting AI robots are vast. In healthcare, robots could change shape to navigate inside the human body for diagnosis and minimally invasive surgery. In agriculture, robots could adapt their structure to different crops, terrains, and weather conditions. In homes, personal assistant robots could adjust their size and form to fit different spaces and tasks. As these robots become more common, the distinction between machines and living systems may continue to blur. Shape-shifting robots represent a shift toward technology that adapts to humans and the environment rather than forcing adaptation in return. This aligns technology more closely with natural systems and human needs. China's work in shape-shifting AI robotics is not just about technological competition. It reflects a broader vision of intelligent systems that are flexible, resilient, and deeply integrated with the physical world. These robots are not just tools, but partners that can understand and respond to complex environments. In the coming years, shape-shifting robots are likely to move beyond research labs into everyday applications. Their impact will be felt across industries, science exploration, and daily life. What once seemed like science fiction is becoming reality, and China is playing a central role in shaping that future through innovation, ambition, and rapid execution.